It's pretty common at the end of the day, one machine goes down for maintenance, or maybe somebody didn't show up for work. This is where we have changed things up with the ability. I may have to zoom out here real quick. Is the ability to go in and be able to drag and drop these. Now, you guys can't see this little hand symbol, but if I grab onto a job, or not a job, an operation, and I drag it up and drop it, as you can see, if I get to a certain point, we get a green box. And just like that is drug one work order over from one to the other. Again, this is where, as you guys are seeing, we can reorder things based on work center groups. I was going to say, I know this thing works. And with that, you can move from machine to machine. Now, I'm looking at a work center group view. Again, just to see that one more time, is if I wanted to put this guy over here and this guy over here, anything that's in the same group, I can move it from machine to machine. So again, maybe the new guy's arriving the 510. I'm a work center supervisor. He's not going to be able to handle the TAC 202s, but he can handle the 201s. So again, as you guys are seeing me do in real time, this drag and drop ability inside the software is a massive change on how you look at and manage your shop floor.